Dude, that looks cool.
I know, right?
That looks hard, though.
Dude, that looks hard because he's like gonna bounce off the metal cage.
I wish I could slam someone through a table like that. Look, that must choke him bad.
Oh wow.
I know. Dude, that looks just like you, man.
Boy, you mean.
You sleep.
Come on, bro.
You serious?
Yeah, come on.
You serious?
Yeah, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Get up! Get up! Get up! Stupid dumb fool! I ain't finished with you. Whoa. Stupid kid. You playing?
I ain't playing.
You like a little piece of shrimp. When they eat.
Shut up, non-aggressive shrimp. And that. It all says one split.